Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start very important question of quantitative aptitude topic percentage. Let us see. We will solve this question by basic method and shortcut. First we will solve by the question by the basic rule and after that shortcut. Because you know well shortcut comes from the basic rule first. So let us see this question. So this question is what? In an election contested by two candidates. One candidate got 30% of total votes and still lost by 500 votes. Then find the total number of votes casted. So we can solve this question by so many ways, but here we are solving by the three method. First, I am solving first method by the simple basic rule. Suppose if there are two candidates is given. So one candidate is A and other candidate is B. One candidate got 30% of total votes. When percentage given, just assume 100. That means 30% is what? 1300. So A got what? 30 votes. And B will get what? What is the remaining? 70. So B will get 70. Got it? So 30% of votes means in 100, 30 vote A, one candidate get and other candidate with 70. And here that means what? Total. So total vote is what? Total is 100, right? Now my question is what? That lost by 500 votes. That means those who get more votes, that is 70, other get less vote, 30. So how much lost? That is 70 minus 30. From 40 votes he lost, and for by 70 plus 30. So you are getting what? This is 30 and 70. So difference is what? 40. So that means lost by 40. So when difference is 40, then total votes is what? 100. When difference is 40, then total vote is 100. When different is 1, then total vote will be what? 100 by 40. When total difference is given in question 500, then you will get 100 by 40 into what? 500. Now we can cancel very easily. 22 is 40, 25 is 100. This cancel you will get 2, 500 half 250. 25 into 5 already you know 125. So our right answer is what? 1250 is our right. So again, repeating for the basic concept is what? For every question of percentage, just assume 100. So question is what? Two candidate contested election, one got 30%. That means 30 votes in 100. So if 30 votes in 100, A get, the remaining get the other. So remaining is what? 100 minus 30, that is 70. So we got 70 winner got and 30 loser. Now difference is 40. So difference 40 when total vote 100. Difference 1 when total vote for 1 less, so less for divide. 100 by 40. For 500 multiply. You will get answer. Now second rule is what? Second rule is what? That is the technique rule is what? If for this type of question, simple you can see we have to find total number of votes. What we have to find? Total. So we have to find total number of votes. So first you check that is 30% one get, then other will get what? 40%. It is understood. So difference is what? 30%, then 70% other get. So what is the difference? 40%. So when 40% difference, so we are getting 40%. So just go for reverse, 100 by 40. Okay. And then multiply what? What is the margin? That is the total lost by what? What is the difference given here? Total votes still lost by 500. That means the actual difference of the total is 500. So just multiply this 5. You will give the same result. So 22 is 40, 25 is 100, and this is what? 250. You will get what? 1250. So again, see how we are using this logic. Logic is simple. If one got 30%, the other got remaining, that is the 70%. So difference is what? 40%. And here already given lost by 5. Lost means what? That is the difference. So here different percent given, here difference given. We need to find total. So we need to find total. That means 40% of total is given what? 500. So we need to find 40% total. What is total? So 100 into this number divided by 40. We will get our answer. Similarly, third rule for this question you can apply. For this type of question, mostly in quant question, we can solve by the option method also. So simple option is what here? 30% one get and 70% other get. So difference is 40. And here given total difference 40% here. Here total lost given 500. So my answer will be in option, that option whose 40% is 500. You can check from option in which option 40% is equal to 500. That is our answer. So when we will check this number 1250 40%. So what I told you the technique in the previous class, those who have, and what I told in the previous class, even their question. If that question is what percentage? So what we are doing, we have to find which number is a 40%, which number 40% is 500. So we are checking here. So our technique is simple technique is what? Which number? So you are taking, so what we can do in mind here, so 1250 given. So 1250, 40%, 40%. So 20 and 20 cancel out. Just multiply 125 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 to the 20, 500. Yes, we got our 500. This is my answer, 1250. If you will find this, or suppose this is the first option, you will check this option. 40% of this option is what? 20 cancel. 15 into 4, 60. Only 600. This cannot be our answer. If 40% of this we find, 40% of this we find, 20 cancel, we will multiply by 4. Again, not 500 because 4 5s are 20, 4 24, 26. So not answer. Again, you will find that is 40% of 2500. So 25 into 40, again you will get not 500. So in this way, we can solve this question by option method also. So we can solve this question by all the three methods: key method, option method, and basic method. From basic is important. From basic, you can find anything. But in question, don't go for this basic rule. Just remember the technique. When you practice the basic, you will get the logic. And with the help of logic, you can solve question very easily in a few seconds. Let us see the next question. Here, next question is also very important. Here, question is what? If the population of a town is given, if it increase at the rate of 5% per annum, then what will be its population 2 years hence? Hence, after 2 years, what will be population? Also find the population 2 years ago. So for this type of question, we can solve by again so many ways. But first solving by the basic concept, let us see. Basic concept is what? Basic concept is here, the population of town is this. So this is what percent, that is P1. When you will apply the amount formula, amount P, because what is going on? So P, that is the first is this. It increased at a rate of 5% per annum. So rate of interest increase, rate of increase given. And what is the population after 2 years we are finding? So you know the formula of amount. Amount equal to what? P into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power T. Same formula we can find. Amount is what? After certain year, principal plus interest. That means principal plus increase. So same thing here. We are finding population after 2 years. So same format we can use here. My present population is what? 352800. multiply rate of increase is given 5 by 100 and time is given what? 2 years. So here 2. When we solve this 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10. What we will get? 3 5 2 8 double 0 1 plus 1 by 20. When we will add this number, so LCM 20, 20 plus 1, 21. So we will get what? 21 by 20 whole square. Now we can write 352800 441 divided by 400. So this 20 cancel out and here 4 8 ja 32 3. So 4 8 ja 32 and 4 2 ja 8. So what we got? 882 multiply 441. So we have lot of rule to multiply. But rule is what? You don't, if the technique give you less time, it is okay. But here multiply, if we do this number in a rule, tricky way, so it will not take less time. It will take the slightly less, but you will confuse more. So just multiply this number easily because your practice of multiplication is already good. So just multiply this. This is 2, this is 8, this is 8. 4 2 ja 8, 4 8 ja 32, 4 8 ja 32, 3, 35. Again, same number, so we can write here 8, 2, 5, and 3. So 2, 16, and 8 to 10, 11, 8, 19 here, and then 8, 8, 16, 18, 19 here, 5 to 7, 8, 8, 3. So what we got? 388,962. Here already 388,962. We got our answer, right? So this is the question ki after 2 year hand. So we have taken the 2 time. Now you see the same question we can solve by the second method. That is logic. Logical method is what? Here population of town is given 352800. Now we need that this population increase at a rate of 5%. What I told in the previous class in percentage topic, increase means 100 plus, decrease means 100 minus. Here increase at a rate of 5%. So direct increase, that is 105 by 100. It is going for 2 years. So just go for 2 times. 105 by 100. This will be your value. So this 20 cancel. Now here 100. So what can we do? You can cancel by 5, 20. Here what? 21. Again cancel by 5, 4. Here what? 21. Again cancel this number. 4 8 ja 32, 3, 4 8 ja 2, here 2. So what we got? 882 into 441. Just we have multiplied this value 882441. What we got? 388,962. Yes, our is same correct answer, both answers. So here we have not written all this calculation, only we have done. How? Because from this we get a conclusion. Conclusion is what? In every percentage question, you are going to increase, that means 100 plus. When you are going to decrease, 100 minus. So here what happened? Increasing. That means 100 plus 5, 105 by 100. Not in 1 year, it going 2 years. That means 2 times. It going 3 years. That means 3 times. In this way, we can find our answer very easily. You see the part 1, that is 2 year hence. Now my other part is also in this question. That is also find the population 2 years ago. That means in this time they are finding 2 years ago. Yani ke back 2 years before what was. That means what is given, this is your amount, increased value. And we have to find our original value 2 years before. So how can I am explaining this? Let us see. We will solve again this question, back question, by the 2 ways. So what I am telling in this case, if first we are telling what same formula, that means amount increased value equal to original value into 1 plus rate of increasing value divided by time. So here what? That is increased value after 2 years is already what we have not given. So here what telling? Find the population 2 years ago. That means 2 years ago this value. So after 2 years this become. So this become for 2 years ago, this become what? Amount, increased value. So we have to write here 352800. This is the increased value. And now this equal to what we are writing. This equal to what? P, and then equal to what? 1 plus 5 by 100 and here 2. So we need to find this. If the original value was this, then how this number becomes. So we can solve this what? P multiply, same concept here, 20 plus 1, 21 by 20. So you can save your time direct 441 by 400, right? So now we need what? P. So 352800. This number come this side. So it will reverse 400 divided by 441, right? Now you see this number is totally cancelled. 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32, 8 4 ja 32, 335. It is cancelled by 8 and here 20, right? Now 8 4 ja 32. So our answer is what? 32 and 4 times 0. That means 2 years ago population was 32,000 and after increasing after the 2 years it become this, right? So we got, so reverse of this question we have done. Now same question we are going for logic. Logically what we are doing, see. So it is given presently the population is what? 352800 present population and increasing rate given 5%. And we need to find population 2 years ago. Always remember when 2 years ago asking, then go for reverse. So what I am doing here, 352800 multiply. Here 5% increase. That means what? 105 by 100. But we are finding ago. So go for reverse 100 by 105. 2 years, so 100 by 105. Only this difference. Now you see 5 to the 10, 1, it is what? 20. 5 to the 10, 1, it is what? 20. So what we got here? 352800 into 20 into 20, that is 400. Here 441. Same data we have reached here only in the one line. Got it? So only in one line we got this value and we can find here again 8 cancel 800. So we got what? 32 and 4 times 0. So our option this is the right answer. So in this way, if we know the basic rule of any questions, we can find answer very logically and in a very short time. Thank you.